तो आपका दिन कैसा जा रहा है? शनिवार का दिन है आज, कुछ पार्टी के प्लान, कॉफी के प्लान्स, घर पे हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं? मेरा एक छोटा सा एग्जाम है कल, जिसके लिए मुझे एक किताब खोलनी है और पढ़ना है, और वो मैं कर ही नहीं रही हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच मंजुनाथ. वाहिद अहमद, थैंक यू. Akshay Son, much love to Meerut. I've had friends who were from Meerut. Of course, I met them in Pune or Bombay, but they were from Meerut. Gautam Patil, thank you. अभिषेक श्रीवास्तव, मुझे कन्नड़ा आती नहीं है, तो ट्रांसलेशन आपको शायद गूगल से लेना होगा. रामजस मीना, शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच. हाय कार्तिक. जलालुद्दीन, शुक्रिया. अशोक कुमार, वेलकम टू द लाइव. दिन कैसा चल रहा है आपका? फिलहाल क्या कर रहे हैं आप? लंच तो हो गया होगा सबका. आगे का क्या प्लान है दिन का? मुझे बस आइडियाज चाहिए. रूपलेखा सन्याल, थैंक यू. आई नीड लक, आई डिडंट ओपन द बुक. स्मॉल लिटिल एग्जाम टुमारो, आई हैव टू स्टडी. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टडीइंग आई सेड, ओह लेट मी गो लाइव ऑन फेसबुक. तो ये खत्म करके मैं प्रॉमिस कर रही हूँ कि मैं जाके पढ़ाई करूंगी. बहुत सारी, छोटा सा बुक है, लेकिन पता नहीं, स्कूल की याद आ गई. जैसी स्कूल की याद आ गई, बुक के पास जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा. थैंक यू संतोष. तो आप, प्रलय शंकर चक्रवर्ती, थैंक यू सो मच. 50 स्टार भेजे आपने, बहुत ही शुक्रिया प्रलय. आई थिंक यू सेंड मी स्टार्स येस्टरडे ऑल्सो. वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू, थैंक यू. स्टार्स के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. रवि सिंह, थैंक यू. शशि प्रभात, योर मैसेजिंग फ्रॉम श्रीलंका, ओके. वाओ. Jane Hua, thank you so much. Is it Jane Hua or Jane Hua? Just correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But thank you so much. This is a very kind gesture on your part. And it anyways makes me happy to interact with you. That's done. Whether you send these or not, my love for you stays unchanged. But thank you. Nevertheless, thank you so much. Jalaluddin, shukriya. So, Pralay, where are you messaging from? Just curious. Which city in the country are you from? Shukriya, thank you so much. Vijay Kumar Saran, thank you. Sai Teja Mangapuram. Thank you so much, guys. Thoda late. मेहराब मिलोन, ओ थैंक यू सो मच. मेहराब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. यू गाइज आर द बेस्ट. साई तेजा, थैंक यू. Why is no one telling me how your day is going and what your plans are? Pralay, thanks again. It's, I think, good enough now. You can save stars for some of the other lives or the other actresses. I totally respect that. Thank you so much for this. Hey Mirsad, how are you? Ismail Afridi, shukriya, बहुत शुक्रिया. कैसा जा रहा है आपका दिन? So Gold Karthik, I still haven't signed my next film, and I'm hoping and praying it's very soon. But let's see. Nintujan, thank you so much. Vijay Kumar, shukriya. Tamil, I cannot read Tamil. I'm guessing it's a compliment. So, going to NTR Devra movie. Okay, I saw it yesterday. So I guess reviews are kind of mixed, but parts of it were really, really good. Action sequences were. Jiten Belinta, thank you so much. Wow. Thank you, Jiten. Much love to you. Tamil, please. Santosh Madatil, thank you, guy. You made my day, really. Tamil le enna solno. Actually, I haven't been practicing, sorry. ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಕೆ ரொம்ப ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ ಆಯಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ಕೆ ಲೈವ್ல ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಆರ್ ಪಾಂಡಿಚೇರಿ ಐ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ತಮಿಳ್. Rakib Genuine, thank you so much. Kamaraju Rajappa, thank you. Favorite Tollywood movie, Bahubali. BTR Swami, thank you. Zain Malik, बहुत शुक्रिया. Zain Malik, are you the singer? It's just a joke. It's fine. Thank you so much, Zain. Karthik, thank you so much. This means a lot to me, and I really love coming live. I think for this one reason, it brightens up my day. I don't know about your day, but I feel like really happy after a good live. And after, reading all your comments, and all of you are like really kind, say the nicest things ever. So I have incentive. Hamesha, I think now it's becoming more of a, every day I'm wondering, oh, should I go live again today? Should I go live again tomorrow? Favorite song? Oh, no. I can't pick one. And I have moods through the day. In that one mood, I will only hear that one song. Till I'm like sick of it. Then I don't hear it again. Then again I hear it and there's like a whole, remember how I loved the song. Tangadurai, thank you so much. Means a lot, Tangadurai. Thank you. Hey Ashish. Welcome to the live. Oh, thank you. Let me show you. Can you see? Okay, no. Mehrab Milon, thank you so much. Very generous of you. Many thanks to you and much love to you. Louis Junior Boton, I'm doing great today. Live is going wonderful. It's always a pleasure to talk to you guys. Okay guys, I'm sitting. Because my selfie stick is in the other room. Maybe if that I had that, it would have been easier, but thank you, Vishwas. Thank you so much. Oh God, thank you. That wasn't my intention at all. Sai Teja Mangapuram, thank you. Hey Deep Dalui, thank you. Much love to Kerala. Sorry, Calcutta. Guys, I'm still in half sleep. मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है, तो अगर मैंने घाई गड़बड़ में कुछ उल्टा बोल दिया तो. Jane हुआ, thank you so much. Thank you, Jane. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And where are you messaging from? Pralay, my day is going great. I slept really well. I would like to sleep some more, but there's work to do. Small little exam is something I'm pursuing. To uska exam kal hai. I need to start studying. I also need to click some pictures. There are some videos we have to do. And then I was hoping to go to the mall to shop, but lag raha nahi aaj hoga. M. Sarathi, thank you so much. Vamshi Krish Challa, thank you. Assam से खदीम अली, much love to Assam. It's a beautiful place. बहुत साल पहले आई थी और मेरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट का मैं अलग एक ट्रिप प्लान कर रही हूँ to do Assam, Sikkim at one go, and then maybe Nagaland, Mizoram in another. Hey Jane, thank you so much. Ciao Lachit Gogoi. All right, much love to Assam. Ciao. Pankaj Sharma, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for the exam. I should go study actually. That's what I'm wondering. ठीक है. So guys, I'll go. I actually have to study. Thank you for all the bests and the best of lucks. I think it will make me crack my exam with flying colors. Nothing special. I have to go and study now. Prakash. All right. Much love to London. I've had like my best vacations there. It's a beautiful city. Much love to you. Hey Hussein Behram, thank you so much. Love from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Ravi Babu Chava, thank you. Esakul Sardar, much love to Bengal. Palli Mareshwar Rao, okay. Much love to Vijayawada too. Hey Deepan, thank you. Thank you, Sai Teja. Thank you so much. So guys, I have to go now. Thank you so much for joining me in the live and for giving me all the good wishes for my exam tomorrow. और इतने सारे compliments के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. Means a lot. Thank you so much. तो आज शनिवार है, कल संडे है. I hope you have the best weekend. And Pralay, thank you so much. Hope you have the best weekend and hope you have something amazing happen to you. For the next time that we are on live, if something good happened to you, please share it. You know, I love reading or knowing about some unexpected pleasant surprise you had, or some bonus or benefit you got which wasn't expected, or that you just had a really good day. It really makes me happy to know that, you know, we interacted on the live and you went on to have a good day. So please share that with me. It would mean a lot. So thank you so much for being here and I will take leave. मैं शायद कल आऊँगी 5-10 मिनट के लिए. I don't know when. I think evening, maybe 4 or 5. Let me see. Because it's also the exam. We are also doing lunch. तो उसके बाद शायद. Much love to Rajasthan. Shelly Sarpanch Khanua. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I feel like I'm in school again. Everyone's wishing me best of luck. Muhammad Irfan, Hyderabad. वो तो मेरा भी शहर हो गया अभी. AR Johnny, thank you. So guys, I will be taking leave. Please take care. Live and stay a little longer. Okay, I'll do like 30 seconds more. So I'm studying Buddhism and it's a Buddhist exam. You could just say that. It's some concepts we study and some material we read and then we do a test to check if we understood the concepts. Zain Malik, much love to AP. बहुत शुक्रिया. Kamal from France, hi. Okay guys, I really need to go now. क्योंकि पढ़ाई भी करनी है. Book पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Q&A है, multiple choice है, fill in the blanks, match the following. तो 70 पेज की book है, but I need to know it pit pat. So I'll just sit and do that. But thank you so much for joining. Love you. Love each one of you. I may know you by face or may not know you by face, but trust me when I say I love you. And I want you guys to have like the best day ever and the best weekend ever and be like very happy. Always. Thank you. Bye-bye.